In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Students, have you seen a cow grazing in a field? Have you seen a cat chasing a mouse? Students, you may have seen little kittens, how greedily they suck their mother's milk. Slowly, a tiny kitten grows into a big cat. A pet dog is usually healthier than a stray dog. This is because a stray dog does not get enough food as compared to pet dog. All animals need food. Animals need food to grow. They need energy to work. They also need energy to move about. They get this energy from the food they eat. All animals need food to grow, to work and to stay healthy. सारे लिविंग थिंग्स को ग्रो करने के लिए फूड रिक्वायर होता है. एनिमल्स को भी फूड चाहिए होता है क्योंकि एनिमल्स भी लिविंग थिंग है. इनको भी ग्रो करने के लिए, हेल्दी रहने के लिए, काम करने के लिए फूड की नीड होती है. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, animals and their food habits. In this chapter we will learn about different feeding habits of animals. Some animals eat plants like zebra, and some animals eat plant eating animals like lion eats zebra, and zebra is a plant eating animal. And some animals eat both plants and animals like bear. Bear eats both things, plants as well as meat of other animals. All animals depend on plants for their food. This is like a chain and it is called as food chain. All food chains begin with plants. This is an example of a simple food chain which begins with grass. Grass that gets nutrient from soil and the sun. A deer will eat the grass and a lion will eat the deer. This is an example of a simple food chain. All animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. There are various kinds of animals in the world. Many kinds of animals are found in Pakistan. On the basis of feeding habits, animals are divided into 3 categories: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. एनिमल्स की ईटिंग हैबिट्स के लिहाज से एनिमल्स को 3 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Herbivore that eats only plants. Carnivore that eats only animals. And omnivore that eats both plants and animals. These are three categories of animals according to their eating habits. Some animals eat only plants. These animals are called herbivorous animals. Sheep, zebra, giraffe, and cow are some example of herbivorous animals. कुछ एनिमल्स खाली प्लांट खाते हैं और ऐसे एनिमल्स जो सिर्फ प्लांट्स खाते हैं इनको हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शीप, zebra, giraffe and cow. These are herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals have sharp front teeth for cutting and strong broad back teeth for grinding. Their teeth are used to cut grass and leaves. In herbivores, some animals like sparrow, parrot, and pigeon eat grains. They are called grain eaters because they eat grains. Some animals only eat the flesh of other animals. These animals are called carnivores. कुछ एनिमल्स सिर्फ दूसरे एनिमल्स का गोश्त खाते हैं और ऐसे एनिमल्स जो सिर्फ दूसरे एनिमल्स का गोश्त खाते हैं इनको कार्निवोर्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉक्स, लॉयन, कैट and dog are some examples of carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals have strong, pointed, and sharp grinding teeth to crush bones and bite the meat. They also run very fast. In carnivores, some animals like spider, lizard, and chameleon eat insect. They are called insect eaters. Some animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals are called omnivores. कुछ एनिमल्स प्लांट्स भी खाते हैं और दूसरे एनिमल्स का गोश्त भी खाते हैं और ऐसे एनिमल्स जो ये दोनों चीजें खाते हैं प्लांट्स भी और मीट भी इनको ओमनिवोर्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेयर. बेयर ग्रास भी खाता है और दूसरे एनिमल्स का गोश्त भी खाता है. Rat and crow are some examples of omnivorous animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. Humans are also included in this group. Humans eat different parts of plants as food. They also get food from animals in the form of meat, milk, and eggs. Students, tell me what have you learned in this topic? According to their feeding habits, the animals are divided into three groups: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Herbivores that eats only plant. Examples of herbivorous animals are cow, horse, and deer. Carnivores that eat only meat. Examples of carnivorous animals are lion, cat, and dog. Omnivores that eat both plants and animals. Examples of omnivorous animals are bear, crow, and humans. Now students, I am giving you some homework. Do question number 1 from your book, page number 51 in your classwork copy. Question number 1 is long question. Question number 1 is, according to their eating habits, how many categories can we divide animals into? Give 2 examples of each. Do activity in book, page number 41. Draw the diagram which are given into your book on page number 38 in your classwork copy. All animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.